our today's topic is what is alternate state in a Qlik Sense. So this is a Qlik Sense interface. This is a main section of a Qlik Sense. So today we are learning about what is the alternate state in a Qlik Sense. Okay, just click on a plus icon and add new section for data. Okay, I extract my data from my file, so just click on that and I select my file and just simply load. So this is a script. Okay, insert script. Okay, this is our data table. Okay, and I give the name data set. I give name to my table data set. Okay, just load the data, close it, go to the data model viewer. Click on your data table and you can see your field name, all field name. See product ID, product name, then category and okay, discount price. Okay, so here I do some data cleaning operation. For category, here I using a subfield function for extract the string from my table. So this is a category table. I want computer and accessory that substring from this parent string. So I use the subfield function category, comma. Here is a delimiter. Delimiter is a pipe symbol. Delimiter is always in a single quote. Okay, comma 1 means position, and give name to category 1. Okay, I'll give name to this my field as a category 1 and simply load my data. Okay, data is successfully loading. So here category 1 computer accessory. Computer accessory, electronic, home appliance. Okay, this is our sheet. I drag and drop filter and KPI. Okay, in a filter I add dimension as a category 1, and in a KPI I add measure of sum of actual price. Okay, then copy filter and paste it here. Control C, Control V. Just adjust your filter according to your preference. Okay, same, see here you can see same filter, same KPI. Just go to the master item, alternate state, create new state. First I create F1 for first filter and first KPI. For second filter and second KPI I create F2. Go to appearance, alternate state, give name F1. Okay, here also alternate state, appearance, alternate state F1, and filter 2 is a F2, or for KPI is also alternate state is a F2. Okay, save all the changes. Okay, so here I select cars and motorbike. See, 4K means 4,000 is the sale of cars and motorbike, and here is actual sales, overall sales. So here I select electronics. Okay, electronic sale is a 5.33 million. So see, here we can do a multiple selection on it. Okay, now everyone understand what is alternate state, why we use alternate state. Is a simple alternate state means in our app or within a sheet we can do multiple selection. When we have a requirement that type, then we use alternate state. Okay, so alternate state is very simple, so you can use that in your app. So practice it. It is a very simple thing. Okay, and very useful thing in a Qlik Sense.